Let's buy flowers. These are the flowers for the autumn. Which one is the best? What do you think? We'll buy flowers. Flowers. This one is beautiful, colorful. So that one also. It's colorful. Can buy. This one has a big one. Big flower. And also this one. How much? 398. Then you buy this one. You have to buy 398. This one likes an olives. There's an olive. This one is a natural olive like that one. This one is an olive. Yeah, this one is a flowers. Which one is beautiful? Beautiful flower. Over there is also more beautiful, but this one is the same. I think so. So let's go inside now. Let's get one basket. Wow. How much is this one? 4 or 5, 100 each. And this one, let's buy one for this one. Mushrooms. This is cheap. Let's get one and two. Let's choose the best one. Ay, parang may amag na. Ba't ganun? Let's me check. Baka may amag na rin sila. May amag sila eh. Ba't ganun? May amag sila? Ganun ba talaga? May amag sila. This apple is big. Look! It's big apple. And this one is also 246. 246. 246. Yeah. And this one is 4. Wow, so sweet. In the middle, there's a sugar. That's what it says. That's why it's expensive. Let's buy here. Tingnan ko nga ito. Let's see what's inside. Kung may amag din to. Ito naman walang amag. Let's buy. Kanina may amag siya. Let's select this one. Ayan, walang amag. Shopping muna tayo, guys. Shopping muna ako, guys. Alam nyo, ang kamatis dito, ang mahal. Yan, no? Isang piraso lang, 199 na. Tomatoes here are very expensive, you know?